Horses in. Horses out, we have a hokey hook. Pass to begin, moving up on the outside. Christina Dinara is down on the inside. Then followed over by Jack Shuking. Next in line, Supreme Leader. September Morning is running by Drell. Then followed by Happy Boomer. And Hurricane Alley is the early trailer. Christina and a hokey hook. Fighting out for the lead. 3 lengths away in third. Dinara, Supreme Leader. Now moving up by Drell to take forward. Racing in fifth, Jack Shuking, Hurricane Alley, September Morning. And trailing the group is Happy Boomer. Christina still in front by Avaraneka. Down on the inside once again is a hokey hook. Supreme Leader now trying to get closer in third, and followed now by Hurricane Alley. Hokey Hawk takes the lead. Down on the outside is Christina. Supreme Leader now coming closer in third, and comes Hurricane Alley. Christina down on the inside is a Hokey Hawk moving up. Supreme Leader, Hurricane Alley as they come down at the last 150. Christina, Supreme Leader, Hokey Hawk is running by Drell. It's now Supreme Leader on the outside. Christina is running by Drell. We have Christina, Supreme Leader is on the outside. Christina, Supreme Leader, and finally it's close finish. Supreme Leader, Christina. Then comes September Morning, Hokey Hawk, Hurricane Alley.
Hindi makadalawa si Jericho But it was close.
Kung